Welcome to the office, and I got an unboxing video today. Yeah, this is my office that I've been working on. It's a mess because of work in progress. Everything in my life is a work in progress. That's besides the point about everything being in a mess and I never finish a project one day. I picked this up. Look, hold on, let me get it. I'm one-handed. And there's no door on the office. Don't even comment. I know it's missing. I'm fixing it. It had a doggy door in it. I had to drywall the door. I don't know if that's the proper way to fix it, but that's what I did. I picked this. Oh God, this is heavy. This up. Take a look. Pixma. Whatever that number is, it's reversing this camera because I'm shooting it frontwards. So I'm going to unbox this today. We're going to hook it up onto the old PC, see how it does. I made a video on a cheaper Pixma. It's USB only. It came with a disc, and even downloading the software, you couldn't do anything with it. It was junk. I made a video on how to put ink in it, but it was junk. So let's try the, I guess, a little bit more expensive one. This right now at Walmart is $41 after tax. I don't know if it's on sale or not. I picked it up. It was either that, and I keep smacking it because I'm excited. And I'm in a hurry. You know, I got shipping labels to print out for, you know, what we sell on eBay. I need a knife. A knife. Okay. I know I need to vacuum my carpet too. No comment. Okay. I think I opened that right. Oh. There we go. Open. Unboxing video / hookup video. There we go. It should be open. What do we get inside? Don't be a disc. Just have the software where it just installs on the computer. Just have it set up like this old trusty right here. It just works. Even though you can't find ink for it when you need it, which sucks, but it works good. It's a Canon. So, owner's manual, getting started. Don't need that. Cables. Should be, I would say a power cable and a data cable. Power cable. Throw it in over there. We got two ink here. That almost looks like the ink is for juice. Almost. If this don't work, I'm going to steal the ink out of these. It should work. You give enough money for it, it should work. Stuff to keep it from moving around. Yeah. Flip her over. That didn't sound good, did it? Oops. It all fell out of the box. It's fine, guys. They go through lots of drops and that when you ship them. Whoops. Okay, it's open. It's chaotic, I know. I need to organize. Organize the table. We could have unboxed it here if it was organized. It's not. So, leave that on it. Here we go. Here we go. This opens up, I guess. Okay, this opens. Oops. It's taped everywhere. Like, I guess they don't want it bouncing around and shipping. That's the scanner part. Here's this part. Does that just come? Okay. So, do we just put the ink in here? Okay. Okay. Wait, is there more? There's more tape. Look at here. Canon. You don't need this much tape. Maybe you do. Okay. Which side is which? I do not know. Shit. Where did I put the instructions? So together, let's figure this out. We moved the cover tape, did all that. Does it say put ink in? Okay. We move orange tape. Remove orange tape. Connect power and hit on. I tossed the power cable. Here it is. I plugged it in. Let's hit the power button. Where's the power button? Maybe that's a newer version of this one because that looks about the same. I hope it is because this one works extremely good. Okay. I turned it on, Canon. What do I do next? What do we do next? Open the cover, did that. Flip down the tabs. Remove the color fine cartridge from the package. Protective tape. So color goes in one. Goes in one. And then the black one goes in two. It's making noise, so I flipped the tabs up and closed it. Okay. Check the file and appear 0. I can't see. You don't light up. We got 0. Okay. Is this Bluetooth or Wi-Fi? Or I don't know. Open the install. I ain't installing no app. Got enough junk on my phone. What devices are you connecting to? Computer. Connecting a computer. So I got to install this. Can I just print like from Wi-Fi or something? Like, do I really have to go through all these steps? Because this is idiotic. So I'm about 15 minutes in. I got the old YouTube pulled up. This guy makes a very easy tutorial on how to hook this up because the instructions are awful. For me, anyway. Let me know what you think. Go watch his video. Steve Shawan. I brutalized that name, I know. I apologize. But go watch his video on the Inkjet how to hook it up. And hopefully you enjoy this unboxing video. I'm going to see if this actually works now because I followed his instructions after I fit with it for a little bit. It should be just simpler. Well, the printer works pretty good. I actually got it working using a USB that I had. It hit fail. It's been a terrible, awesome video, ain't it? But I found a USB here that I had to connect it to the computer because no matter what I do, it will not connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know if the Wi-Fi is out on this unit. Sometimes it show up, but it will not pick it up. I don't know the drivers. It's made the second Canon printer that I have bought that the software has been on. Honestly, I'm thinking of jumping to another brand. If the cameras weren't so good, I wouldn't buy the printers. But the printers has been the absolute trash because the wireless I can't get working on this. I watched YouTube videos. I troubleshooted. I downloaded 4 different uninstalls and installs and window restores and everything, and I don't know. It just don't want to connect. You know, that's it. Connects through USB, so that's good enough for me. I just mount it and hook it up because I don't use it too often. Buy me a good LaserJet printer, one of those $300-400 ones. Oh my God, they have better software than this. I would hope. And Canon, you're watching, you need to do something about your customer on the wireless setup, your customer's experience, because not everybody, you know, is a tech genius, you know, but you need software that's actually looks like it ain't from 1992. Yeah, that would probably help. And maybe some more stuff in these printers, which I know, I understand, Canon, you making these, selling them for $40. I understand, but couldn't you just upgrade a little, you know, maybe? Or should I? Or maybe it's my fault. Maybe I should have bought the $200 printer. It's one of the two. Let me know in the comment section, everybody, what you think about this. If you had the experiences with these, if you troubleshooted your wireless system and got it working, let me know the magic, and get subscribed. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. It's been chaotic, I know. The whole day's been chaotic. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.